Hello, welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to work out an example involving the difference of derivative property. The difference of derivative property, it's about like if a function or a expression is the difference of two terms, like right here. So we have an expression that is the difference of u minus v, where u and v are two separate terms, or they are two separate functions. Then the derivative of such expression is going to be the derivative of the first term minus the derivative of the second term. So which is equal to derivative of u, which is the first term or the first function, minus derivative of the v, which is the second term or the second function. So the derivative of the difference of the function is going to be basically equals to the derivative of the difference of the terms basically that are part of that function. So here, this one, I'm going to write it as the derivative of 3x to the 5 minus 2x to the fourth. I'm going to write it as derivative d over dx of 3x to the 5 minus d over dx of 2x to the 4. Okay, so I separated these two terms and took the derivative of each term independently and then took the difference. That's what this expression represents. So let's go ahead and simplify this. We're going to apply the constant derivative of the constant times the function rule. So we're going to take out this 3 from the derivative and multiply the derivative of it inside with that 3. So I took out 3 to the front and times the derivative of just x to the 5. And I'm going to do the same thing for the second term. I'm going to take this 2 out of the derivative times d over dx of x to the 4. Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and apply the power rule to this and this to take the derivative of these two terms. So we have 3 times, when we apply the power rule here to the x to the 5, we basically bring down the exponent to the front times x to the 5 minus 1. So I brought down the exponent to the front as a coefficient, and then times x to the 5 minus 1, I subtracted 1 from the exponent, minus 2, and I did the same thing for 4, brought it down as a coefficient, and then we subtracted 1 from the exponent. When we multiply this becomes 15, and x to the 4 minus 4 times 2 is 8, x to the third. So this would be the final answer. Another thing, if we look at this is also a fifth degree polynomial with just 2 terms. So it's a binomial with fifth degree exponent term, just to brush up your knowledge for the polynomials.